As with all advanced skincare, the very best results from NovAge are not achieved with one product by using the Oriflame Youth-Enhancing Skincare Routine. Cleansing and toning dissolves and removes makeup, dead skin cells, and other impurities. This leaves your skin perfectly clean and prepared for the subsequent products. The skin around the eye is special. Eye creams are formulated to deliver just the right amount of performing technology to this delicate area. The lightweight, silky texture of serum absorbs quickly, enabling a high potency of technology to reach your skin cells quickly and efficiently. Day creams contain UV filters to help protect your skin from photo damage, while night creams are extra nourishing to take optimal advantage of nighttime cell activity. Following this simple 4-step, 2-minute routine, morning and evening, enables your skin to be its most receptive to the powerful technologies.